friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vanessa Lee Lopez. If you're new here, I make fun, doable how-to videos for busy moms. Okay, it's that time. The moment we've all been waiting for. Well, at least my family and I have been. We are finally pulling out all those Christmas decorations from the garage and pouring them into the house. We're sorting out the decor and making a decorating game plan. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Send help! I don't remember having this much last year. We must have decorated in our sleep. These things are heavy. If you're following our holiday home reset series, we've already cleaned out the kitchen, the living room, the foyer, and the formal living room so that this moment feels magical instead of stressful. Today, we're unboxing everything. I'm also putting up the Christmas tree and fluffing it so that it's nice and ready to be decorated. Step 1. Brute strength. Step 2, regret step 1. Step 3, pretend this is your workout for the week. Next video, we'll actually start decorating the Christmas tree. I swear, ornaments multiply every year, like gremlins. Okay, pro mom hack. Instead of dragging decor room by room, I set up a decor staging zone. Think of it as your Christmas war room. Well, hopefully less chaotic. Separate everything into sections or piles. Here's a rule. If it doesn't spark joy, or if I can't immediately think of where it goes to the donate box. Holiday decor should make us happy, not stressed out. Decorating game plan. We start with the main statement pieces and then sprinkle everything else in. Type Team Sprinkle in the comments if you also decorate by vibes. Before anything else goes up, I wipe down shelves, mantles, and tables so everything goes on to a fresh surface. Remember, decorating goes way faster when your space is clean. Future you will say thank you. Bins sorted, piles ready. We're officially prepped. The plan is made, kind of. Next video, we'll decorate the Christmas tree. It's happening. Thanks for hanging out with me during this chaotic but magical unboxing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm so excited for what's to come. I hope you'll be here with me as we enjoy the holiday season and go crazy decorating. Make sure to comment down below, are you team Christmas classic or team glam sparkle? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss episode 5, Decorate the Christmas Tree with me.